From the Mtech brand of master cutlery, this is item number M-A1026BK. It also comes in a GN model and a TN model. Now the opening mechanism here is an index flipper, open pillar construction. You can see the pocket clip there. This knife is officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. Features a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter. Comes out fast, locks up solidly, liner lock locking mechanism. Blade length is about 3 1/2 inches. It is a combination edge into that drop point, stainless steel, and overall this is a great knife, a high value with a great U.S. Marine Corps theme. Nice serrations on there. And altogether, another great knife from Mtech and Master Cutlery. Semper Fi.